you're so cute.
Stop!
That is watching us.
Sorry, I have no makeup on.
Me neither.
I have acne.
So is half of the other world.
No way.
God is watching us. God is watching us from a distance.
Is that what they say?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why we were laughing when you were saying it was from Hercules.
Because they don't believe in one God. That's true.
That's why we were laughing at you.
I didn't get it.
Budsworth in all his glory. Poor little poops. There's the other one. You're next. We got our own grooming salon going down here. Baxter's getting brushed. Bud is getting dried. And then we have Angel over there getting washed. Little thing. All clean. Okay. My sister's gonna go out tonight. This is the before. Now we are in mid. I covered up all the little spots. Did complexion.
And got very excited.
What did I do? I love doing complexion. Here is the after. Look this way. Look this way.
Oh, my head?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at those lashes. Close your eyes. Open. Now look, you didn't even look in the mirrors.
What? Oh.
Oh, how pretty.
But piece so
Very
bad.
nice.
I learned how to do that. Oh, my eyelashes are long.
Yep. Hey, so we just got home a little while ago. It's pretty late, 11:30, and David's taking a shower now. I just picked him up from work, and I'm pretty much ready for bed. I'm actually gonna have some milk. We bought some milk and cookies. Put these in the microwave for like a couple of seconds and they become gooey. Oh my god, I've been craving them. I bought some milk and we're getting ready for bed. And tomorrow's a new day. But I don't think I really vlogged that much today. It was just not really chaotic. It was just pretty much a lazy day. Nothing really to vlog about. Just hanging around the house with my cousin and the baby. And my sister and my mom. Watching movies. That was pretty much it. Nothing exciting. Tomorrow, I'm probably gonna go and get my nails done with my mom and then go to Macy's going shopping. And that's pretty much it. Pretty much my weekend. Not very exciting, but whatever. Yeah, so this is me signing off and see you tomorrow.